Hi, I'm Joe from KnightATV, and this is our speaker pod add-on kit. I'm going to show you how to install this. It comes with everything you need, so it is totally plug and play. This particular kit has our rack mount on it, so this will be able to connect to any type of rack that you have. We also have a flat mounting kit with the quick connects for your Can-Am CF Moto Polaris, or a roll bar mounting kit if you are going to be mounting this in any side-by-side. This add-on kit has the LED option. So on this Articat here, I'm going to show you how to install it. The first is to take your fender speaker off, remove the 4 screws that hold it on. So I've already loosened those up. Once you have this off, you're going to remove your LED speaker controller here, the LED controller. Pop these out, push down on that connector, and these pop apart. You're gonna have to, if you heat shrinked these on, you're gonna have to trim that heat shrink to get that off, and then install the new controller. This has 2 controllers on it, 4 outlets, since you'll have 4 speakers now. So plug this back into here, then trim these 2 off and connect these 2 where this was, and you can disregard this old controller here. Then the new one, you have a extension, 2 extensions, so we can plug these in, line up the 2 arrows, and you may need to either drill another hole or make this hole in your fender larger. You're going to feed this through. This comes with all the wires for both speakers. I'm just showing you right now how to connect one of the speaker pods. It's going to be the exact same process for the other one. Connect the other wire that comes with this kit to run to your other pod. Then this wire harness, you'll have 2 of these. This plugs in where your amp currently plugs into this speaker. So get this speaker wire here. This was plugged into your amplifier here. Disconnect that. And the same thing on the other side. Take this wire that comes from the other speaker, and you are going to put this jumper wire in between. So plug this into this side and plug the other side where it was plugged in. Again, this is the same on both sides of the ATV. Then run this wire through this hole here. And that's everything you need to do under your fender speaker pod. Get all the wires nice and neat underneath there. And mount this back on the same way it was before. You have 2 new wires now coming out of this side. There will be another one of these if you have the LED option that you would run to the other pod. Route them however you want, away from anything hot or moving. The LEDs plug in with the arrows lining up, and the heat shrink is supplied, so you can put that over this, and any dielectric grease if you're going to be water riding, so that you save these connections. Plug that in, you know, secure all these really well, just like you would anything else, and that's it. You'll have both speakers hooked up. Your LEDs will be working just as they should, and you can play some music.